welcome back, my people. Welcome all viewers and subscribers to Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle, my people. Remember, like the video, share the video, comment on the video, and you don't know, subscribe to the channel so that we can build the channel. You know, my people, I want to send a quick shout out to Oliver Lifestyle. Yes, man, Ocean and Nova TV, the Great Family. You don't know it go. Murphy. Yeah, Murphy. Oh, Murphy Lifestyle TV. Yes. And again, remember, go over them page, like them page, say something to them. Say hi, hello, or something. Anyway, my people, I got a video for you. This video, me not have nothing to say. Me go make this gentleman say it. So, whew, watch the video.
Nothing but the real is truth. Anyway, I'm not going to hold out this tool. I'm just going to jump straight tonight. And watch out now, this is not all about Drizzy anymore. Bingy, Rasta Bingy, you disappoint me. Me lose half of you. Yeah man, you fool me. You fool me. You not only fool me, you fool the world. You know? And let me tell you this. Because enough people could ask say why Shana follow up the man them. Me not follow up no man. Because you see this and now, me not do this for myself. Me I do this for the world. Me I do this for the supporters, them. Where I support the Walking TV channel and also the people them or the persons them who take part, who is a part of the Walking TV family. But Bingy, she's one of the main source right now where whole night last night my phone not stop ring. You know? And my phone not stop ring from after 10 straight back up until 2 a.m. this morning. Pay phone calls, WhatsApp messages, and Western Union receipts. You know, countless amount of Western Union receipt to prove.
Dear Lord, my people, viewers and subscribers of Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle, story come to bump. If you don't understand what that mean, it mean things gone sky high. Information a come out. Brother, I don't know what to say about this video, but when me go do, me go make Sean tell you what I go on.
How much money sent to Bingy? 6 bars house should be finished long time. Furnish out and money still left. A lot of supporters, not my supporters, because those people never know I had a channel. They never hear about Sean before until this saga. Yeah. Cause when them call me, them say, boy, we never know you was a YouTuber. We not even know say you and Bada Cat used to do video. You know, we never know say you and Drizzy used to link. We just come across and we see say wait, you was a part of the team from a long time. And the people them say, boy, when they read the comments and hear the people them a bash me and say, boy, Sean bad man and Sean a pussy, them say them feel so hurt in themselves, knowing that them don't have a YouTube channel. Voice, let freedom voice be heard to the public. So them call me and say, Sean, I beg you do this.
My viewers and subscribers, this is what me I say. It happened to me in my comment box. A lot of people tell me some things. Them tell me some things when me I tell them me won't even repeat it. The only one them me I will repeat is when them tell me say me howl, and me ugly, and if you go get wheelchair, and if you go get rocking chair. But sometimes, me people, you have to listen. And as me say, if you no have nothing good for say sometime, please don't say nothing because sometimes where you are say only a cause more problem. Sometimes people say we whether on YouTube a cause problem for other people. But no man. No, we not cause no problem for nobody, man. The people them a cause the problem for themselves. Because listen to where Sean officer and the video continue.
Because we see the people in bash you and we in ourselves know say you're not telling a lie, we don't know you, we not even a supporter you. We just come across you. And they also send me receipt. And Bingy, you let we down. Bingy, all of the money where you get, we do 6 bars house, what you do with it? Me have all the receipts them, you know. You see me? And all of the people them who send the money. See? The clothes them when you get for 6 bars for them there. And the people them say them not see 6 bars are rear them. One virgin tell me say, when him see 6 bars on the media and him see 6 bars and some old clothes and them thing there, tears come in him eye. Him say him reach out to your Bingy and him send down some clothes and shoes for 6 bars. So him send down 2 pair of Jordan and the next pair of sneakers and some t-shirt and shorts, and I know him not see 6 bars in them from much in months now. Him not see 6 bars and none of them him I wonder where them there.
This not look good. This not look good at all. This look very bad. You know me people, I do a video about Drizzy Burke. Should I help for build 6 bars house? And a lot of people in my comments say how me no know me I say people should me fi go look mind my own business, me should have leave people business alone, but apparently there's more out there about the building of 6 bars house and more things that 6 bars should have. Make we listen.
See? The money what you get to do 6 bars house, the people them sit down still a wait. We see the work a carry on. Them no see the work a carry on and them contact you and ask you what go on. You tell them say boy the money they get messed up.
Hold on a little bit. Now, remember, you know, all me I do is just a talk about where Sean I say. But if this is true, that's blatant disrespect right there. If them send the money, as what them I say, them send, and then when them call for ask what go on, and you tell them say that the money them use up in a something or miss up, that's just you not show no respect to the sender. Make we watch the video.
So no go on. Them go back again and them send you another money again. You do a little something with that enable piece of the money. People them still sit down and wait to see what go on. See? Bingy. And now me I do it, you know. Because I tell you the truth with God love, you know. Me don't have up none of uno in my heart. Me say, me can get the Bible and got the foot of the cross and then crucify Jesus and swear for my life. Me don't have up none of uno, me don't have nothing against none of uno, but me have to speak the truth, make uno supporters them voice be heard because them not have a channel and they not have nothing and then call me, then text me, then say me receipt, proof and everything. And say, Sean, make my voice be heard because we still waiting to see where our money gone. Them want to know where their money gone. See? We love you all around, you know. And as Mr. No trick me, because I remember me see him when they come out and do one video and say me respect how Bingy treat 6 bars. And I never know say I ill treat Bingy, I ill treat him. See? A man sent 2 tablets from overseas to you, Bingy. One was for give a friend and one was for 6 bars. Where is the tablet? Because the brethren say, I know him not see 6 bars, I use the tablet.
Now, my people, them 2 tablet there, me can't talk about them 2 tablet there because me see in a Bingy video when Bingy say him get 2 tablet from overseas and him open them out and him show them. You can go over there, check out him page and we see them for 2. Yeah, me see them, but again, I don't know where them come from. I see them 2 tablets. So this brother here tell the truth. This brother here tell the truth because me see the 2 tablets for 2. Brother?
Where is the tablet? Where is it? See? The 100 and the 100 black and the 6 yard. The 100 black and the 6 yard a son will buy. But them say, boy, a Jizzy Bert buy. I know Jizzy Bert buy. A brethren send the money to do some work, and when the man call, them say, boy, the money messed up. And the man send back another money again because the man say just want to see the youth thing go through. And the money the Jizzy used by the 110 black and the 6 yard son. Me have receipt proof, you know, because the people them send me them receipt proof.
Ladies and gentlemen, wow, this year one ya hot. Yes, man, this year one ya hot. So, to all my viewers and subscribers, you see, we YouTubers, we're here just for giving you the information. The people who no want we for giving you the information is the people who are protect the people and behind these kind of things. We are do these kind of things to people. Me not telling a lie. But I know me can't believe. Say, a Bingy, me come like me can't believe this word. Where I come out of this man mouth, but the brother, they on the right path. Because me, personally, did have Bingy as a highly. But, let me go and listen.
To everything. You see me? But me not go publish the receipt them because them say, boy, keep them name on the download, don't call them name. But them say the individual them who receive the money, we know say at them because them and them very close. There is a supporter of the channel but live overseas. Them come here in person and meet the team. Them have close communication with the team. Them send countless amount of money to the team. And the thing when we blame Bingy for now, Gravy come out and say, you say Jizzy a post here, you say I like Gravy a tell. And quite a few people who call me from overseas say, you Bingy call them and ask them for money. And when they ask, they say, what Jizzy a do for you? You see them and tell them, say Jizzy a post the Jizzy now run no money. See? Remember, it's not me, no. A text message and phone calls me get with receipt proof. Say all of that take place, me no know. See? But them say, Sean, make we voice be heard because we still waiting to see where our money gone. A man come visit, people come visit you. And you tear down 6 bars parents. When them come to you and say, oh, 6 bars look so, you tell them, say, boy, 6 bars, daddy, the dongle have him and starve him and beat him and he'll treat him. Right? So that's why you take him under your wing and I take.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the part where me go say a few words about this part. I never want to say this part in my video. Yeah. This part where you're Sean, I go talk about Sean, yeah? This part where you hear Sean, I go talk about. I never want to say this in my video. When people tell me, say, Drizzy, fine, 6 bars, me laugh because me know, say, I know Drizzy fine 6 bars. Now you hear it from Sean for yourself of how Six Boss become with Bingy, not Drizzy find Six Boss on a bar when a man a conk him in the head. That was a big lie. Listen the video.
Yeah, the man said tears come and yeah when Bingy I tell him how much Six Boss parents will cheat him and they have him and starve him and beat him. And the man said when he look on the blood clot internet, on the video and see how Six Boss parents then love him. How Six Boss parents then check for him. The man said shaking it and he laugh. See? The man said Johnny call him and beg him money countless amount of time. When he asked Johnny, say, whoa, what Bingy I do to Six Boss house? When Bingy I do to Six Boss, what Jizzy I do for no. Johnny tell him, say, boy, it's like Johnny that him say Johnny no complain with it. Me not gonna be like him say Johnny no complain with it, but him a give me a code. Like him mother say, boy, you know say Bingy a one little I'm if you say no worthless man though. You see me? Him not really do nothing and Jizzy not do nothing, them not get no money. Remember I know, uno know who not communicate with you know. Uno know who not tell those things, you know, and me. People call and text me and I say, Sean, vice it.
Brother, me not telling a lie. Woo! This here one ya. This here one ya, I go make the internet go crazy because this guy, who trouble this guy? Who tell enough to talk about this guy? Because this guy have all the receipt, everything this guy have, and when me telling you say, hella go on in the camp, a lot of viewers, not my subscribers, the viewers them, I talk about how me talk too much, me chat too much, me should shut up my mouth. But ladies and gentlemen, this not sound good. This not sound good, and me did tell you say, whole heap more I go come out. This not sound good at all. To be honest with you, me always sorry for the youth, Six Boss, because that's one of the reasons why me really talk about Six Boss. That's why me dig so much to find out the real deal about Six Boss, because I care about the youth. And I know that the youth cannot angle himself like me and you and you and you. So the thing is, me talk about Six Boss and everybody want to take off my head. Now, continue watch this video.
Because what we cut up and heard, if you see you talking the truth and people are bash you say you're bad mind. And we the supporter of their channel and also supporting them with money, countless amount of money over and over. See? Come on, man. Me lose half of your Bingy, man. Me look up to your Bingy, but me lose, man. You lose your way, dreadlocks. Dreadlocks, Rasta no mixing up banger and Rasta no deal with them live it today, but I got trim bread drink, he's not a Rasta. He's a rascal, brother. He's a dreadlocks, brother. Be a dreadful thing to do. You lose your way, fire. And then you're not so good at pretending. Because in this case, in a brethren, me, Drizzy don't have me as a friend. But me would have said me as a friend to Drizzy because you don't only take a friend to tell a friend the truth. But if Uno Stone is a friend to him and back him and kill him, Uno is not a friend to him, brethren. And a him and a Uno him love up and respect and rate up say a friend. And he would have take me as an enemy who are telling the truth. Just look into things, Father. You feel a way, brethren. And people, big up on yourself. Supporters, Uno wasn't my supporter, because remember Uno said to me, Uno said, Sean, we not even didn't know you was a part of that cat thing. We never know that, we just come across you and listen to your thing and we see what we've been through and know what we've been through. So that's why we reach out to you. Bingy, and you, we really step to you know, and Johnny, you know. Because you and Johnny name I call the most, you know. Every supporter on the channel, phone number on have overseas, Uno becomes a pestilence to them, calling them days after days, begging for money.
My people, now, here with me I say now. Now, you see which part the problem go around? Now, all viewers who was bashing me and bashing everybody about this Bingy and Drizzyberg saga. Now you see, them really not get no money. So if you get money, that's how them start to get money now. By calling, you hear what the brother say? Sometimes when people talk, like let's say when you watch The Truth, you look pan Bingy pan Johnny face when Drizzy say I take care of them. You can see pan him face say a lie Drizzy a tell. But that's how them live. Them call people a foreign. That's what this guy say, not me. Cause me no hear before no. Come take off my head. That's what this guy say. The supporters them overseas say. Not me. Sean said it. The realest youth, Sean, said it. But people, I need enough to sit down and look into this thing and realize how sad. Yeah, realize how sad all of this thing is. And all this thing happen because Gravy come out. And you remember when me say everything happened for a wise purpose? This was one of the reasons why when Jovi, Gravy, whatsoever she name, come out, it was supposed to happen because people near and far was asking question about their money. Continue watch the video.
And where the money is going. Where the money, all the money you get for $6, where the clothes them you get for $6, where the tablet there you get for $6, where the shoes there you get for $6. Why $6 house not done and the money sent for done the house? Eh? You call your brethren a foreign today and tell him say, boy, I beg you my money because you dump on your face, and the man send the money to you, and the next day you have the money and give to a person. Me don't remember the name of the person who the person called to me, but the person called a name of a person to me who you depend live account out how much in $1,000 and giving to that person. When you call the person the day before and tell him how much you broke and dump on your face, you beg him a thing and him send it to you. And he's not a family, he's only a supporter to the channel who like the energy and care for people and helping you guys out. When I exploit $6 and I exploit the people, I use $6 name.
Aye, brother. Me reach a point now where me don't know what to say anymore. Cause this is bigger than me. Me believe say me didn't know what I go on in the walking TV. But my apologies. Me no know. The little bit what me know.
To get money to fulfill your own needs. See, Bingy is a big man. He's a big man, 50-year-old. You take up this young girl, a 20-year-old young girl. You as a 50-year-old man take up a 20-year-old young girl. You believe there's a future is there? No. That girl is only using you right now for the hype. You realize that the girl built a TikTok page and posting you all over TikTok page to get views and likes and followers. She using you to build a platform and also using you to get money. And then when she feels it, she had enough of you now, she move on to a young.
That's the same thing when me that talk about. When me see the video, cause when me see this video, I go around with Bingy and this young girl. Yeah, it puzzled me a little bit. Cause me I say, I never expect this. Yeah, me see it this morning. Yeah, I saw it this morning and I say, that one is strange. So, brother, this not look good at all. Yes, my people,
A guy
this.
who should really in favor, who should really interested into, because there's no future there. If you should take stick a man in and cannot move, you believe that young girl gonna stick by you, bathe you, change your diaper if it's a case where you reach there, so? No, she not, because she's a young girl. Look into life, brethren. Me not bring her down, but me gonna make.
Ladies and gentlemen, you know, say this video come to an end right as I know, ladies and gentlemen. Me surprise, me shock, me don't know what to say. Yeah, me reach at a point right now in a this saga yeah, where me don't know what to say because me dey telling you say whole heap more go come out. Because you see, where Six Boss concerned, me think about Six Boss. Me talk about these things because me want people to know say people must care about Six Boss. And I have it in my head say Bingy I do a good job with Six Boss. Wish, and don't get me wrong, you know. By keeping Six Boss, by having Six Boss with him, and Six Boss is not his child, that's good. But these allegations and these things, where I talk, what this gentleman have and I talk about, what Six Boss, what Bingy do, what Bingy do to Six Boss, boy Bingy, you have to explain yourself. Me think you should have explain yourself. Me think you is not a man who like fi nobody. You say nobody can get you if you do certain thing, but under these circumstances, why me think you go have to say something. What do you think, my people? Remember, if you comment down below about this situation here, me could talk about this situation here, and me understand say some people now go see the same views or say eye to eye with me, but we can talk. And even if you have something bad to say about me, me still not gonna say nothing bad to you or about you because I don't know you, just like you don't know me. So me could be clean, me could be nice, and me could talk about these things. And being in general, if you watch this video, if you see this video, if you don't do them things, if you have proof saying not do them things, me could hear what I go on. You don't know, me go have to put up my number. So that means you may can call me or you may can talk to me or because we need to settle these things. We need to talk about these things because this not look good. Remember me people, viewers and subscribers, like the video, share the video, make more people can see what I go on. Comment on the video and remember, subscribe. And again, if you don't have nothing good to say, no say a word. Big up Oliver, Lifestyle, TV. You don't know it go. Peace and love. Respect, my friend.